This is the story of Bridget and Annie, who share a flat in London, and the boys next door, Nick and his friend Hector from Argentina. Annie and Hector are in love. Bridget and Nick are still dating, just. But Nick is desperate for a job, any job. Stand by for Extra.
Such a baby.
But it hurts.
I haven't touched you yet.
Oh.
Now stay still. You will just feel a little needle prick.
Oh. Go on then. Hurt me. Do it.
Hector. Hector. I've done it.
Huh?
I've removed the splinter.
Huh? Oh. Yes. I knew that. I was joking.
What is it? Are you scared of needles?
Who? Me? Don't be silly. But it was a very painful splinter.
Okay, so if you're not scared of needles, would you have a tattoo?
A tattoo? Yes. Yes, I would.
Go on then, tough guy.
Okay, I'll have one if you have one.
Okay. Okay, it's a deal. Oh, by the way, Hector. I had this done this morning. But then, a deal is a deal, isn't it?
I want a word with you.
Tough guy, eh?
Yeah? What do you want?
I don't. I keep forgetting this bit. I don't like your face.
Okay, so is this for television or theatre?
Nope. This is real. This is me.
And you are?
Can't you guess? Guys, you are looking at muscles.
Where?
No. It's my new name. I am the new man on the door at ICE.
What? You're a bouncer?
What is a bouncer?
It's someone who throws people out of nightclubs.
I am an entry executive.
So you throw people out of the club?
Yeah.
Nick, my granny could beat you up.
Ah! But if your granny came to ICE and caused trouble, I would have to ask her to leave. Besides, I'd have Knuckles, Cruncher and Muncher to back me up.
Who?
The other bouncers.
Yeah, right.
Hi, sweetie.
Has someone died?
No, not yet.
Why are you dressed in black, then?
Because, baby, you are looking at the new man on the door at ICE.
You are on the door at ICE?
Mm-hmm.
But that's wonderful news! What shall I wear? I'll call the girls to find out what they're wearing.
The thing is, Bridget, if your name's not on the guest list, then you can't come in.
Nick, if my name's not on the guest list, then you can't come home.
Hello? Oh, hi. Yep, that's right. I start on Friday. Okay, baby. No probs. Leave it with me. Ciao. My mum. She wants me to do some gardening for her. Dan, guess what? I've got a new job. I'm a bouncer at ICE. Oh, this club is very trendy, very exclusive. I am the new man on the door at ICE. Hey, when the girls see me on the door, they won't want to go in.
Nick has got a job as a bouncer at ICE.
I don't like your face.
If he doesn't get me on the guest list, he is in big trouble.
If your name's not on the guest list, then you can't come in.
Hector, I just want... What are you doing?
Oh, just looking for a number.
I see. Well, I just wondered if you wanted to share my chocolate with me before Bridget sees it.
Oh, yeah, great. Thanks. Honey, did I tell you about the time 3 people tried to fight me?
All at once?
Yep.
Really? Mm-hmm. Go on.
Well, 3 of them. They came at me.
Oh, you poor thing. And what did they want?
My sweets.
Oh, and how old were you?
6,
And they were...
5, 3, and 2.
Hector, 2 years old. They were babies.
Yeah, but the Sanchez sisters were really tough.
Oh, Hector, you are sweet.
Annie, do you think I should be more macho?
Oh, Hector, you don't have to be a tough guy for me. I love you just the way you are.
Oh, Annie.
Come on, let's eat this chocolate before Bridget finds it.
Oh, please, let me.
Oh, you're so strong. Oh,
Ow!
oh, what is it?
You are standing on my foot.
Wimp.
Ah. Hi, Nick.
Oh, hi. Hey, listen to this. Bouncer of the month is Alex Smith, who last year stopped 955 people from going into his club.
What is the name of the club?
It doesn't say. It shut down last week. Not enough people were going there.
Nick. What is a wimp?
Well, it's not.
Annie just called me a wimp.
Yeah.
I want to be a tough guy, like you. Can you teach me, please?
Of course. I was born like this. But I can try to help you, Hector. I can try.
Great! Why don't you show me how to be a bouncer?
Attitude.
Attitude?
Yeah. Like this. Are you looking at me?
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 Hey, great!
So, who am I looking at when I say that?
Anyone who is looking for trouble.
And how do I know they are looking for trouble?
You just know. Look.
What is this?
Bridget's old toys.
What are they doing under your bed then?
I was looking after them for her. Yeah, anyway, look. Here, this is the club. You cannot come in. Let me in. Are you looking at me or chewing a brick? Eh? 'Cause either way, you'll lose your teeth.
Huh?
You know, brick, teeth, chew.
Oh, very good.
You are a very scary guy.
Look, it's handsome Nick. Oh, look at his muscles.
Hello. You are looking lovely tonight.
Mwah.
Mwah, mwah, mwah.
Oi! Leave my boyfriend alone.
It's okay, Bridget. I'm just doing my job. If your name's not on the guest list, then you cannot come in. If your name's not on the guest list, then you cannot come in. Huh. Please, could I have your name, sir? What do you want that for? Because if your name's not on the guest list, you cannot come in.
And what are you going to do about it? Pip! Squeak!
Guy? I?
So be a good boy.
Didn't you hear what the man said? He said, go, disappear, vanish, evaporate now.
Sorry you had to see that, Bridget. Of course, I have the situation completely under control.
Yeah.
So, Bridget, why are you here?
What? Oh, I've brought you some sandwiches.
Oh, Bridget, how nice of you. Where are they?
Where what?
The sandwiches.
Oh, I must have left them behind. Never mind. So, who's here tonight?
I'm afraid I can't tell you. It's confidential. Okay. Well, there's the usual crowd. Heidi, Kate, Naomi. Oh, sorry, Bridget. I have work to do. Good evening, ladies. Could I have your names, please? Thank you. Just one more thing. Bridget? Arms up, please, ladies. You see? Very nice. Thank you. Thank you very much, ladies. Have a great evening. All part of the job.
Okay, Nick. So when's it my turn? I want to go in.
Oh, Bridget, I promise. As soon as I can arrange it, I will. Look, there's a big Latino night next week. J-Lo will be coming. Leave it to me.
Thank you, Nick.
Stand back. I need to take control.
Good. Everything is under control.
I do love Hector, but I think he is a bit of a wimp. Wimp? At least Nick has a tough guy job at ICE.
I've started my new job at ICE. Good evening, ladies. There was one guy who was looking for trouble, but it was okay. I had everything under control. I had the situation completely under control.
Yeah.
Bridget was very impressed, especially as J-Lo is coming next week. J-Lo will be coming.
Annie? About the tattoo. Look.
You did it! Oh, and Hector! What a wonderful tattoo! Oh, I don't know what to say.
Oh, it was nothing. And I mean it. Hector and Annie forever.
Oh, look! Charlie likes the tattoo as well. Oh, Charlie. Oh, Hector.
Oh.
Oh, please. I've just eaten.
Bridget, look. Hector has had a tattoo done just for me. Oh, isn't it romantic?
Hecknever. Hecknever? It doesn't sound very romantic. What does it mean?
What's happened? It's coming off. Oh. Charlie has licked it off. It's a fake. Hector, you wimp. Oh.
Hi, Nick.
What's the joke?
I am.
Listen, J-Lo is coming to ICE tonight. So we need extra bouncers. So you will be working with me on the door.
But
And tell Bridget and Annie they are on the guest list. Okay, tough guy?
Okay.
Good evening, ladies. You are looking lovely tonight.
Oh, Hector, you look so handsome. I'm sorry I laughed at your tattoo.
Annie, I am on duty.
Is J-Lo here yet?
She's here.
Oh, goody! I love mixing with the stars.
Hi.
Hey, she's cute. Hi, gorgeous.
What did he say?
Nothing.
Was he?
What are you looking at?
I am looking at you looking at her.
I can look at her.
Not when I am looking at her looking at you.
I think you mean not when I'm looking at you looking at her.
That is what I said.
You know what? I tell you, I'm gonna buy her a drink, okay?
What did he say?
I think he said he's gonna buy her a drink. Oh, Hector, no!
Right? That is it. I am going in.
No, Hector, don't! Leave it!
Oi! You! Leave my girl alone! Nick! His mate is chatting up Bridget!
Right! That's it! I'm going in! Oi! You! Leave my girl alone!
Muscles! You fire! And so is your friend!
That was great!
I didn't even see J-Lo.
See, Hector? I knew you weren't a wimp.
Next time in Extra. Annie is revising for her exams. Bridget has a makeover. And guess who is coming to stay? Extra, don't miss it.